Hi friends, good morning. This is your Aditya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to say you how to write a program to find the power of a given number in Python. Okay, first let's see what's the definition of a power of a number. The power or exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. Okay, so first we'll ask the user to enter an input which will be the base number. For example, the user entered the base number as 5. We'll ask the user another input which will be the power number. This time the user entered the power number as 3. The output will be 5 into 5 into 5, which is base into base into base, and the number of times we multiply base is the power number. So the output will be 125. Okay, let's see the code. This is the code. First, let's see what's in the main function. First, we are using the try except method. The try except method does what's in the try block, and if it gets any exceptions, it will do what's in the except block. Okay, let's see what's in the try block. Here we are using the input function to ask the user the input and storing it in the variable base. And we are changing the data type to an integer data type because when taking the input from the input function, we'll take the data type as a string. So we are converting the data type from a string into an integer data type. In another case, if the user enters an alphabet string like ABC, it will throw us an value error exception. So we are handling the value error exception using the except block here. When a value error exception occurs, it will print invalid input. Okay, next we are asking another input which is the power number and storing it in the variable power. Again we are inting it because it will return an string data type. So we are using the int function. Next, we are calling the print power function. The print power function will print the result. We are passing the parameters as base and power. The parameters will receive the arguments values and store them in the variables base and power. Okay, let's see what's in the print power function. Result equal to 1. First, we are creating an variable called as result and assigning the value 1 to it. We are using the result variable to store the result. Next, we are using the while loop to get the result. While power greater than 0. As we need to multiply base, the power number of times we are keeping while power greater than 0. While the power is greater than 0, it will execute what's in the while loop. Okay, let's take the example of the base as 5 and the power as 3. As 3 is greater than 0, it will execute the while loop. Result, whose value is 1. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So result's value is 5. and we are decrementing power by 1. So now power's value is 2. As 2 is greater than 0, it will execute the while loop. Again, it will multiply result by base, which is 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Next, again, we are decrementing power by 1. So power's value is 1 now. As 1 is greater than 0, it will execute the while loop. Again, we are multiplying 25 by 5. So now result's value is 125. And again we are reducing power by 1. So power's value is 0. As 0 is not greater than 0, it will break out of the while loop. And it will print the result, which is 125. As we know that functions don't execute on their own, we are calling the print power function here and the main function at the last line over here. Okay, let's see what our code in action. First, I'm going to enter the number which we took as example. 5 as the base number and 3 as the power number. It showed us what we expected. It printed the number 125. Now, let me enter the string ABC. This too printed as expected invalid input. So our program works. Thank you and please subscribe.